Hi friends, now we are going to install Windows XP. Press enter to continue. If I press enter, we got an error message called setup as recognized the following mass storage devices in your computer. To specify additional SCSI adapter like this, I am getting an error message. For this, I will show you how to solve this. Press F3, press F3 to quit, and then enter to continue. Restart your system and then keep press the F12 button to BIOS. Keep pressing the F12 button. Then go to the BIOS options here. Go to the BIOS option. Press enter. In the BIOS option, you need to select the system configuration option. Go to the system configuration and then select the SATA operation option. In the SATA operation option, you need to select here ATA. If you select ATA, your problem will be solved. Or if you want to like to continue, press the S button and then apply it here. Click the apply it button and then exit and then keep press the F12 button to BIOS, boot menu. If you want, you can go to the BIOS also. And then try to start the installation of Windows XP. This is my Windows XP bootable pen drive. Select and enter. Press any key to boot. Wait for a few seconds. I will show you. Press enter to continue. Press F8 for agree. Now it is showing the hard disk. The problem has been solved. Now it is working fine. Okay. Thank you.